With so many solar panels to choose from, it can feel overwhelming. But fear not, in this video, we'll guide you through the sea of options to help you find the perfect solar panels for your investment. I'm Warren.
And I'm Larry, and for 15 years, Paradise Energy has helped thousands of people control their energy costs and save money with solar energy.
It's this invaluable experience that we use to bring you an honest inside look at all things solar energy. Let's get into it. These are the best solar panels for 2024. All right, Larry, so give us just an overview of solar panel technology, whether or not panel technologies change, what the efficiency is like, etc.
So it's pretty similar. You know, we have monocrystalline and thin film. So It's been that way for a number of years. The panels keep getting more efficient, so the technology makes incremental changes, but nothing major. Efficiency keeps improving. Aesthetics keep improving a little bit. You have modules today that look like, you know, a sheet of black glass as opposed to, you know, white dots in the middle. So that's kind of cool. There's some improvements there. As far as monocrystalline versus thin film, you know, that's kind of like it's been. Monocrystalline has the pros of being more readily available, more efficient, more compatible with different inverters, optimizers, racking solutions, that type of thing, where the thin film has the benefit of typically being more cost effective. So thin film is often going to be on large ground mounts, and monocrystalline is going to be pretty much exclusively everywhere else.
So Larry, what are some of the criteria that we use for selecting the best solar panels?
So some of the criteria that we use is we look at the company, you know, what's their customer service like, how long have they been around, that type of thing. We look at aesthetics, what do their panels look like, what's the performance like, what's the warranty like, where are they made, and of course, what's the price.
Sure.
That's not the only thing, but that is a thing.
Yeah. And then what are some of our top picks for both commercial and residential?
So the three top picks that we currently use are Hanwha Qcells, SEG, and Axitec, and we'll take a detailed look into all three of those.
Okay. All right, Larry, let's jump right into it and talk about Hanwha Qcells. Give us a brief company overview.
So Qcells has been around for about 25 years. They were founded in 1999.
Okay.
Now Hanwha acquired Qcells. Hanwha is an even older manufacturer. So the combined companies have been around for a long time. It's headquartered in South Korea, and it's just a bankable, solid Tier 1 company.
And in terms of aesthetics, what type of panels do they offer?
So they do have an all-black option. Most manufacturers do. Hanwha does have a great all-black solution.
And what about the performance of the panel?
So it's a high-performing module. I mean, their efficiency's up there. It's typically between 21 and 21.8%, depending which module you get, which is, you know, it's up there in the industry as far as leading other panel brands. They also have a great temperature coefficient, one of the greatest in the industry, which means it's going to produce more in higher temperature conditions. So overall, you're going to get a little bit more production per watt out of your Qcells solar panel.
And what type of warranties do they have?
Again, fairly standard. 25-year product, 25-year production for the residential line, 12-year product, 30-year production for the commercial bifacial line.
And where are they manufacturing them?
So they're making a lot of them right here in the U.S. They do some manufacturing in South Korea, but they also have a lot of manufacturing right here.
And comparatively speaking, how are they priced?
Fairly reasonably. They're a little bit higher cost than some of the other brands that we have. So you have, you know, some of the higher performance that we talked about, but then also a little bit higher cost.
All right, now let's talk about SEG. Give us a brief update or an overview of the company.
So SEG is a little bit newer brand. They're not super new. They're 8 years old. They were founded in 2016, but a little bit newer than some of the other brands. They're headquartered in the U.S., right here in Houston, Texas, which is really cool. They're a newer company, but they are Tier 1, so they already have that distinction. So I consider them to be a pretty strong, bankable company.
And in terms of aesthetics, what type of panels do they offer?
Again, they have an all-black resi option, so great looking panel.
And performance-wise?
Performance is pretty good. Efficiency is going to typically be between 21% and 21.3%. Their temperature coefficients are going to be about 0.35%, which is not quite as good as Qcells. So you can get a little bit less per watt in those higher temperature conditions, but still a pretty decent module.
And then what type of warranties?
Warranty, again, is fairly standard. 25 for the all-black, 15 on the product, 25 production for their silver frame module. And then they also have a bifacial module, which is 15 product and 30 production for that module.
And where are they made?
Pretty much everything comes from Southeast Asia at this point. Now, they do have U.S. manufacturing coming at some point to the U.S., possibly later this year.
And how are they priced in the market?
They're pretty cost effective.
Okay.
I would say they're definitely going to be a bit cheaper than Qcells.
All right, Larry. Now let's talk about Axitec. Tell us a little about the company.
So the company was founded in 2001. That's 23 years ago. That's pretty significant. They're headquartered out of Germany. They're not tier one, so they don't have that distinction, but they have provided us with high quality products and good customer service for years, for many years.
Yeah.
And we have a really great relationship with them and consider them to be a solid company.
And what about aesthetics? What type of panels do they offer?
Again, they have the silver frame, but they also have the all black option, just like Qcells and SEG.
And how do they compare performance-wise?
So efficiency is going to be a little bit lower,
Okay.
20.5% to 21.3%, again, depending on which module you get. Temperature coefficients are same as SEG, the 0.35. So again, not going to produce quite as much as Qcells at the higher temperatures, but still a pretty solid module.
And then what about their warranties?
Warranties, again, very standard, 25-year product, 25-year production for the residential line, and then 15-year product and 25-year production for their silver frame line.
Okay. And where are they made?
They're made right now in Southeast Asia. They may consider U.S. production at some point in the future,
Yeah.
so we'll watch out for that, but at this point, everything's in Southeast Asia.
And then price-wise, where do they fall?
Very cost effective. I would
Okay.
say they're our most cost effective option that we currently offer.
If you're a business leader or homeowner and want to see how solar can help you save more of your hard-earned money, visit paradiseenergy.com to request your free custom quote. In addition, our website is full of calculators, blogs, buyer's guides, and more, all designed to help you on your way to a successful solar investment. Thanks for watching, and click here to watch the next video.